Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to enable Team Create in your Roblox Studio. First, what you'll need to do is simply open your Roblox Studio in your device, and then after that, just tap onto the game that you want to add or have a team with. So after you click onto your game, just like here on my screen, you're going to click on to the blue collaborate button on the upper right part of your screen. So in here, just click on collaborate and then just search on the username of the friend that you want to add here on your game. So I'm just going to do that, and then here's my friend. So make sure before you add anyone or anyone on your game, make sure that you are friends with them. So if you are not, just make sure that you send them a friend request and then make them accept your request. And then after that, just type on their username right here, and then just click under their username and then tap on to save. So after a few seconds, they should be able to have an access here on your game, and then you should have a team on your Roblox Studio rather. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.